wir getroffen.
Ah, Filmprofi in der Bayern Lounge, geil. Ich sag 4-0 Bayern.
2-0.
Wir werden sehen. 100 Euro in Solana.
Dienstag kommen
3-0.
Was hast du dann noch für einen Lebenstraum?
Oh mein Gott! Thomas Müller! So we arrived in Austria. We are going to Italy for a few days. Nice little crypto vacation, business vacation, little business trip. Nice, man. So tomorrow is I don't know when you will see this video, but tomorrow on March 7th is the first ever crypto summit inside the White House. So could be bullish, maybe sell the news, but I will fill up my spot bags a little bit today. So when we arrive in Italy, we will build up the setup and then some crypto hustle. I'll show you everything when we arrive. I slept like I think 3 hours, so sorry maybe when my talking is bad, when my English is bad. I didn't get much sleep last night, but we're gonna make the best of it. So machen wir einen Handstand-Push-Up hier drauf, oder?
Und das schon auf die Zähne. Ja, das war aber schon crazy.
Ehrlich? Ja. Aber ich trau's nicht, Digga.
Ja. Du hast was gebraucht, oder?
Ja. So we arrived in Italy. We just finished a nice training session on the beach, and now it's time for breakfast. What the fuck is Dubai when you can have this? Crypto, Aperol, nice view, sunset, peak life. Yeah. So now we are watching the crypto summit inside the White House live stream. Maybe we will buy some more altcoins, some more meme coins. I'm hyped. We will see. We keep the members inside the community updated. Gonna share all our investments, what altcoins we invest in, what meme coins we invest in, our entries and our exits.
During Biden until the election came about.
We are now visiting an Italian convent. Pretty nice here in the mountains. Insane. Maybe I can show you the view in a few seconds. Somewhere in the Italian fucking jungle, man. With the bikes, but it's fun.
Vertrau mir. Bruder, vertrau mir, ich kenne deine Abkürzung.
Ach so. Digga,
das wollte ich aber Taschenlampe.
Digga, das kann nicht dein Ernst sein. Bro, das... Was machst du?
Komm mit.
Digga. Mach mal Licht. Digga, was? Digga, was ist das? Bruder! Digga, da hat jemand geschlafen. Digga, was ist das für ein Spot? Bruder. Digga. Er hat gesagt, er kennt einen Spot.
Give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no.
So we will now do a nice day trip to Venice. The brother is already ready, and now let's go to Venice. Now we are doing like the typical tourist photo shooting right here. So honestly, this should have been a nice crypto trip, but the depression keeps on going. Bro, I can't do this anymore. Bitcoin 84k, bro. 84k, man. That shit is insane. ETH 2.1k sold at 130. This shit looks bad. Yeah. So yeah, man, at least the view is nice, but we keep stacking, we keep accumulating throughout summer. Maybe we get the altcoin season in Q4 in winter 2025, but I stay positive. It will happen, hopefully.
Marktstimmung und Spekulationsblase. Ausbleibender Hype, wenn die erwartete FOMO nach dem Halving 2024 ausbleibt.
So here you can see the whole lake here in the north of Italy, and right there, I hope you can see it, is this long island right there. This is where we are going now. So see you when we arrive. So we just arrived on this island that I've already shown you. Pretty nice vibe, a lot of palms. Gives like summer vibes, but it's only March now. Feels like summer, to be honest. We'll show you the island a little bit, sip some coffees, maybe eat something. But a nice day trip. This place is super beautiful, man. Like for real. This was the place where I've just shown you the island, and now we are on this island. Crazy. Right there. Wir brauchen die Mandarinen, einfach Mandarinen im März. The most philosophical place I've ever seen. Wenn ich hier sitzen würde, auf dieser Bank, ich würde euch ein Buch schreiben, das wird in die Geschichte eingehen. Schaut euch mal bitte diesen Ort an. Man kann leider nicht rein, aber so eine Mandarine wäre ganz nice noch. So I just climbed up the tree and snapped this orange right here, fresh from Italy. We will now see if we can already eat it. So let's open it up. It's crazy. So we just peeled it. We will now rip it off and see if it's already eatable. I think this shit. I think we can try it.
It smells amazing.
It smells amazing, bro. Oh, smell it, man. That's insane. Fresh orange from Italy. We will try it now. Come on. I will make the first bite. So let's go. Give me a fata. My first ever orange directly from nature. I hope without pesticides, who knows? Maybe they sprinkle the chemicals on it, I don't know, but I don't hope so. So, try it, brother. So now we are back home from this nice day trip to like this island all the way up there, as I've already shown you, and now it's time to go back to Germany. Unfortunately, it's so beautiful right here, but yeah, also good to be back at work again, back on the grind, so it's fine. Now on our way home, gonna sip the last coffee, the last cappuccino of this Italy trip. Gonna enjoy it while driving home.